Hello guys, Jopela is here and welcome to the channel. And right now in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can link your Payoneer account to your Clickbank account and get paid whenever you want to be paid. So guys, I want you to pay a very close attention to this video, and also I'm going to be giving you a bonus when I'm done explaining how you can link your Payoneer account to your Clickbank account. And the bonus here we earn you money. You will make money with this bonus that I'm talking about. So stick around to the end of the video. Watch to the end of the video so that you will not miss the bonus and you will not miss anything in this video, and you will know how you can actually link your Payoneer account to your Clickbank account. So guys, let's get right into the video and see what I got for you today. So welcome back guys, and what we are going to do now is you have to log in. You have to sign in. I'm signing already, so I'm just going to come here, and if you sign in, this is what your Payoneer account will look like. This is their home page, and you will come here. You come here to this global payment services. If you click this global payment services, you are going to be redirected here. Yeah, you are going to be redirected here, where you are going to select the bank that you want to receive the money with. Here we have USA, UK, Eurozone, and here I'm going to use UK. I'm going to click on here. This is the payment information. This is the payment information. Your bank name is Barclays. Your short code is this. Your account number is this. Your beneficiary name is this. And make sure the beneficiary name is the same as the name on your Clickbank account, so that they will not think it's someone that want to withdraw your money. So guys, this is what you are going to copy to your Clickbank. So let's go into Clickbank and paste what we have here. So this is your Clickbank dashboard. Just come to this account setting here. Come to the account setting. You'll be redirected here. See, account setting, you'll be redirected here. So come down here. You see my name. You see the payee name here. Right? So you now have to come down here. Click on this payment information here. Click on here. Click on edit. And guys, actually you can withdraw less than $100. You can withdraw less than $100. Just come here. The maximum that you can withdraw, the minimum you can withdraw is $100. $10 rather. It's $10. So you just click on here and select the amount that you want to withdraw. Now what we are doing now is to add our bank. Then you click on this direct deposit here, and you are, as you have seen here, bank country is UK. Just come down here, click on here. Your Axe bank city. Go back to your Payoneer account and copy this bank name here. Copy it and go to Google to search for where Barclays is. Hope you are getting it. Now let's see. Barclays is in what city? We know verily that Barclays is in Barclays is in London. So we are going to come here, Barclays city, London. I'm going to write London here, and we ask bank name, which is Barclays. Enter Barclays here, Barclays here, paste it here, and your account number. Go back to your Payoneer account to copy your account number. This is the account number here. Copy it. Then back to your Payoneer Clickbank account and paste it here. Account number, paste it here, and come here. Come to you have to bring your short code. Copy the short code here, then come back here, paste the short code here, and the account is checking. It's checking here. Just leave it here. Just leave the checking here. Then come down here and save. Come down here and save. So Clickbank will send a message to you that are you the one that, so that they will verify that you are the one that make these changes. Can you see here? Changes of your payment method are awaiting approval. Before the changes take effect, you must approve them by clicking the link provided in the email we delivered to your email account address. The email will be sent from now. I've received the mail as this. If you did not make these changes, please contact our customer services team immediately. What they want to confirm is that you are the one that make these changes, so they need you to click on to confirm email, so that they will know definitely that you are the one that make these changes. So this is how you can connect your Payoneer account to your PayPal account. If you did not accept what the email sent to you will not approve it, they are not going to approve your setting, the payment method that you gave to them. So you have to go there, go to your mail, then accept what they approve it that you are the one that make the changes, so that they will know that you are the woman that makes. So the bonus that I'm talking about. So guys, if I'm really giving you value, please go to the subscribe button, click on the subscribe button and smash the notification bell. What the notification bell does is that whenever I drop another video, you will be the first to get notified. So guys, if I'm really giving you value, please smash the subscribe button and give me a thumbs up, and make sure you share this video to wherever you know needs to see this video. Please guys, that's all I need from you. I need your support, your full support. And if you have anything to ask me, please go to the comment section below and comment whatever you are willing to ask me. So guys, this is the mail sent to me. Let me click on this mail. Let me click on the mail and confirm that I am the one that make these changes. Let's wait for this to load up. Yes, it said please verify that you want to change your payment preference by clicking this. Now I'm not going to use this browser because this browser will be blocked. This browser is not the browser I'm using for Clickbank, because Clickbank is not available in my country. I'm actually using a private browser here. So I'm going to paste this here. I'm going to paste this. I'm going to copy it again. Copy link address. Come here. Then paste this here. And send. So I need to approve it here. Once I do, I will be able to use it. Now, the direct deposit intention change in 7 days. If you did not make these changes, please contact our customer immediately. Customer services immediately. So, can you see here? Congratulations. Your payment method changed successfully. If you did not make these changes, please contact our customer service. So guys, this is what we want to do here. We want to change it, and let us see if it has changed. As you can see here, Barclays, London. This is what we changed to. Check-ins, security, source code, account number, back. This is what we want to change to, and actually this is what we do change to. So guys, this is how you can link your Payoneer account to your Clickbank account. And let me give you the bonus that I'm talking about. Come here, come to your Payoneer account here. Once you've logged in, just come here to this active here. Click on this referral. Click on this refer a friend. Now what this is talking is, what I'm about to tell you is that if you refer one person and a person make a deposit of $1,000 on Clickbank on Payoneer account here, you are going to be paid $25. As you can see, earn 25 US dollar when you refer friends to Payoneer. Here's how it works. Tell your friend about Payoneer. That is 1. Your friend sign up. 2. You both earn reward. And this is your link here. This is your refer code link here. So if you refer somebody, you are going to get paid $25. Let's see what you say. After your friend sign up and receives a total of $1,000 US dollars, you both earn a 25 US dollar reward. Can you see? If your friend make a deposit, receives a total of $1,000 on you on US dollar on Payoneer account, you also will get your reward. You can also get your own reward and get, which is $25. So guys, this is all I have for you today. Please go down to the comment section and comment, this money is going to be ours. This money is going to be ours. Let's make this money together. Let us win together. Clickbank is kind of no, I can't say it's competitive, but Clickbank is a lot of people now are using Clickbank, and a lot of people doesn't know the right way to use free traffic to get their own to get paid. So guys, if you have not created a Payoneer account before, I will drop the link in the description below. And if you want to and very soon I'm going to be making another video on how you can use free traffic to make money on Clickbank. And also go to the channel and check the playlist on how on the video that I have made about free traffic on Clickbank. So guys, this is all I have for you.